Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the condenser fan blade in this GE refrigerator, you will need a 1/4-inch nut driver and a 5/16" nut driver. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the appliance's power cord. Have an assistant help you to move the refrigerator away from the wall. Use the 1/4-inch nut driver to unthread the upper center screw, securing the waterline retainer and lower rear access panel. Next, unthread the 5 remaining screws securing the access panel, using the 5/16" nut driver. With the screws unthreaded, lift the panel up to remove. Now reach in and pull the old fan blade off of the condenser fan motor shaft. To install the new condenser fan blade, align it on the motor shaft and press to confirm it's fully seated. Replace the lower rear access panel by aligning the bottom tabs first. Rethread the screws. Secure the waterline behind the retainer and rethread the upper center screw. Move the appliance back against the wall. Plug the appliance's power cord back in, and the refrigerator should be ready for use.